Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting essentials in place so you can move fast. Create your platform and API accounts, copy the API keys into a secure env file, and initialize a project repo. Next, set up a virtual environment and install the libraries you need, then scaffold a minimal bot process that accepts input and returns a canned response. Once done, add a small seed dataset, 50 to 200 prompt response pairs, so you have material to iterate on immediately. You now build the bot's brain, implement intent recognition and slot extraction, and design a simple state machine to track context. Choose whether to use a hosted NLU or fine-tune a model train on your seed data and validate against 20 to 50 holdout cases. Once trained, wire template responses and fallback flows so the bot handles unknown inputs gracefully. Make sure to write unit tests for core conversation paths and simulate edge cases to catch logic gaps before deployment. You finish by deploying the bot to a staging or production endpoint and turning on logging, metrics, and health checks. Monitor latency, error rates, and user satisfaction, then iterate model improvements and response phrasing based on real conversations. Automate deployment with CI/CD so fixes reach users safely. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is simple. Inspect logs first, verify API keys, check for rate limit errors and timeouts, and replay failed inputs to see whether model input formatting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.